Hello guys! Welcome to another Tita Tuesday. My name is Lee, and for today's video, we're going to have and transform myself into 7 different aesthetic styles. I've been working for the whole straight week for this video because it's a 7-day transformation. This time, aesthetic edition. So if you wanted to know how I transform myself into 7 different looks, then you better keep on watching. So I went to random.org and typed in some different aesthetic styles. So I did 7 and then I waited for it to randomize my order. So I have it different styles in here and I hit the randomizer 3 times, and then the final or the third one is the one that I considered following into this whole video. Hello people! So it's day 1 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition. Ang first natin na gagawin is the grungy look. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is my makeup. Tapos na yung makeup natin. Super simple lang talaga. Hindi ako sanay na nagka-clump yung mascara. So, ayun. This is very, very new to me. For the last step, of course, we're going to put on some of these temporary tattoo. It did not work. The other one worked. Wala na akong gantong size. Anyways, I'll change my hairstyle, put on some earrings, and yeah. So, ayun guys. Ito na ang final look sa ating grunge day 1. And yep, I think I pulled this off pretty nice. So yeah, I'm sorry guys, I have a very, very small mirror, but this is the look for today. I managed to be a grunge girl. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Another day. So it's day 2 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition, and we're going to be an art hole today. So for the first step, of course, we're going to put our temporary tattoos. These are cute temporary tattoos. So yeah, it says to infinity, and I'm gonna put and beyond here. It says to infinity and beyond. Okay, so let's kick the makeup by starting off with the base. Yes.
Say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Okay, so I decided not to put on some false lashes today. I-straighten ko lang yung bangs ko, then I'll leave my hair like this. Just spray on some shit. And put this on.
Go with the brother boo, you know how we do. It's not for me. It's not for me to say you love.
Welcome to my art class, Char. So I dressed up today as an art hoe. You can see. I really wanted to be an art hoe. If I'm gonna choose my aesthetic, I wanted to be an art hoe forever. But you know, dressing up like this in the Philippines is not really convenient because it's hot. So yeah. That's it for today. Hey guys, so it's day 3 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition. And today's theme is vintage. Yes, I'm going to be a vintage gal today.
What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
Okay, so my hair did curl. And let me just fix my hair real quick and I'm gonna show you the final look, guys. And yep. So I got this orange crew neck and this jumper shit. And yeah, I paired it with a yellow skirt. This is very, very colorful. I don't know if vintage is supposed to be colorful, but yeah. Anyways, yun guys. See you tomorrow for day 4. What's up guys? So today is day 4 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition. So yes, I'm going to be a minimalist aesthetic today. I would start with a tattoo first. Kind of work. We're going to proceed now into my face. Okay, so now that I've finished off my makeup, I'm going to proceed into the outfit, and yeah. Okay, so one thing I realized, guys, is I don't really have that much of muted colors in my closet, so please bear with me. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I have this red blouse and white shorts. I went with pearl earrings because I thought that pearl goes on with anything, and it's very, very simple. So yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for a day 5, and I hope you enjoy this day. So hello guys, welcome to day 4 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition, and now as you can see, I already done my hair, and today's theme is actually e-girl. So let's get started, guys. So I have finished off my makeup. Now I'm going to put on some temporary tattoo on my face to complete the e-girl aesthetic. You know guys, I'm running out of eyelash glue and I don't know where to buy. So yeah. I'm just gonna change my clothes and I'm gonna show you the final look for gays. Oh my god, I bit my tongue. I'm just gonna change my clothes and I'm gonna show you the final look for this e-girl aesthetic. Okay people, so this is my final outfit. I have this blazer and this slit skirt and a black crop top. It will surely show my flabs, but that's fine. Anyways, I'm loving this look and I'll go on with today's photo shoot and let's compile. Bye! I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. So we are now on the day 6 of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition, and we're going to be having an abstract theme for today. There's a mishap. I think I deleted the footage of me finalizing this look and the mirror shots, so I think we need to proceed to day 7. I know it's sad, but I'm stupid, and yeah. But here is the look and my outfit for that day. Okay, so what's up guys? This is now the final day of our 7-day transformation aesthetic edition, and for today's theme we're going to have soft girl. I don't know why I keep on transforming to be the things that I'm not. I guess that's what transformation is. Already did make a tutorial about this one, but yeah, we're gonna give it a second whirl. And let's start now. Okay, so my makeup is finished now guys. Now I'm going to proceed on my accessories and other parts of my outfit, and I'm gonna show you the final look for the last day of our transformation. And I'm so happy because I have accomplished this full 7 days and I did not cheat. I am so proud of myself. Okay, so we are now down guys to our last outfit for this week, and you know I'm not much of a soft girl, and this is the only pink top that I own. Yeah, and this is the only light colored shit that I have in my closet, so I just put this into work. And yeah, I won't see you anymore tomorrow because this is the final and last outfit transformation, so I don't know what to say. So yes guys, that's it. That's my 7-day journey for transforming myself into different versions of aesthetic. I also had all my pictures uploaded for the past 7 days in my social media, and I'm so happy that everything that I posted garnered all the support that I need. Anyways, if you wanted to see more videos like this, you better comment down below. You can also subscribe, hit the notification bell for every videos that I will upload. You will get notified. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all on Tuesday.